Ford fed this 2019 Special Edition Mustang a manual transmission, where the gear shifter features a white cue ball knob as a nod to the car that lit up our movie screens 50 years ago. The new Bullitt is also wearing everything from the Mustang GT Premium and Performance package, while its upgraded 5.0-liter V8 engine pushes down 475 HP and 420 lb-ft, 570 Nm of torque, allowing for a top speed of 163 miles per hour, 263 kilometers per hour. Standard equipment includes the leather steering wheel, unique green accent stitching and a 12 all-digital LCD instrument cluster, identical to the one in the 2018 Mustang, although the Bullitt comes with a unique welcome screen that features an image of the car instead of the pony logo. This new Bullitt is, as Steve McQueen was, effortlessly cool, stated Daryl Bemmer, Mustang chief designer. As a designer, it's my favorite Mustang, devoid of stripes, spoilers and badges. It doesn't need to scream about anything, it's just cool. As for why the car sounds the way it does, it's the standard active valve performance exhaust system with new black nitroplate exhaust tips that's responsible for the signature burble. The Bullitt also has a new open-air induction system and a Shelby GT350 intake manifold with 87mm throttle bodies and powertrain control module calibration. With color options, you get to choose between shadow black or the classic dark Highland green, like in the movie. Then there are the subtle chrome accents, around the grille and front windows, 19 wheels, red-painted Brembo brakes and the bespoke front grille. Put it all together and you'll find that the 2019 car does a good job paying tribute to the original. When making a Bullitt, there are certain things it absolutely must have, added Carl Widman, Mustang chief engineer. It has to have the right attitude, it has to be unique in some way from the Mustang GT, and more than anything, it has to be badass. Customers are limited to just 3 factory options: the MagneRide semi-active suspension system, the black leather-trimmed Recaro seats and the electronics package, which includes sat-nav, driver memory seats and mirrors, an upgraded sound system and blind spot information with cross-traffic alert. To sum it up, the 475 HP Bullitt Mustang is 8 miles per hour, 13 kilometers per hour, faster than the 460 HP Mustang GT, has bespoke visuals inside and out and sounds a lot more intimidating.